Namaste, children. Welcome back. This is your English online class for Standard 5. Here, easy. Look at the screen, children. What are prepositions? Just a definition and some examples. I think this will help you to recall the preposition classes which we had last year in class 4. Look at the screen. Prepositions. A preposition is a word or set of words that indicates location. See the examples here. In, near, beside, on top of, or some other relationship between a noun or pronoun and other parts of the sentence, like this: about, after, besides, instead of, in accordance with. Here is a list of commonly used prepositions. Can you read this? Read all these prepositions. Above, across. Come on, read along with me. Against, along, among, around, at, before. Come on. Behind. Very good. Come on, read along with me. Below, beneath, beside, between, by, down, from, in, into, near, off, on, to, toward, under, upon, with, and within. There are so many prepositions. We have seen a few prepositions. Now I feel that you all know what are prepositions, right? In, on, under, behind, beside, before. All these are prepositions which we learned very nicely last year. Just you have to recall. That's all. Here, look at the screen, children. I've given you some examples in tabular column. So when you're free also, you can just go through. It's easy. Children, we speak English with all preposition, adverb, adjective, everything. Unknowingly, we speak that this is the grammar part of the sentence which I speak. That's all. It's so simple actually. Haven't you used these words when you speak English? Yes? Yeah, of course. We all use it. Only thing is, we should know now we are learning, or every time you learn in grammar class, and these are the grammar part actually. Okay. Now, here are some prepositions and the usage and examples. So this way it will be very easy for you to understand. So I've got some 6 or 7 tabular columns where you can easily go through and understand. Okay. Now, these are all preposition of time: on, in, at, since, for, ago. Okay, usage. You see the usage here. On, you will use on for days or week. Can you see here? Just one example. On Monday. One example I've given. Okay. In is used for months, seasons, time of day, year, after a certain period of time. That is when. Look here. In August. For seasons, in winter. Time of day, in the morning or in the evening, in the afternoon, something like that. Year, in 2006, in 2020, any year you can use. After a certain period of time, in an hour, in 2 hours, okay, in some time. You understand? I think this method is easy for you to understand. Is it not, children? Are you all saying yes? Yeah. Look here. At, how will you use at? Where will you use at? Or night. You have to say at night. You should not say in night. Okay, at night. For weekend, when you use the word weekend, you have to say at the weekend. Let us meet at the weekend. A certain point of time. Okay, when you're going to say the time like this: 9:30, 4:15. You have to use the word at. Clear? This is clear, no? Yeah. Since. When will you use since? From a certain point of time, past till now. Even now, if that process is going on, you can say since 1980. Since 2000, I am studying in the school, right? Since 2012, I joined this school. Okay. sorry, since 2012, I've been studying in the school. Do you understand? That is, till now you are studying. That is the meaning given here, past till now. You might have seen this notice board in famous shops and famous concerns and all. They say since 1972. That is, they installed the shop in 1972. Even now they are moving on. That is the proudness actually they wanted to say, right? Then look here, for over a certain period of time, past till now, for 2 years. For 2 years, I have been working here. For 6 years, I have been a teacher. Clear? For 1 year, I have been meeting my uh, new friend, and now who is the best friend? Who is the best friend? You understand? Ago. Look here, ago. A certain time in the past. Something that had happened in the past. 2 years ago. I met my close friend 2 years ago. Clear? Now that we are very, very close. I completed my graduation 2 years ago. I completed my schooling 2 years ago. I reached this place 5 years ago. You understand? So now you can make your own examples. This is very easy, right? Now let's see the next tabular column. Let's continue with preposition of time only. Before, to, past, to, till and until, by. So what is the differentiation you can see here? Okay, usage and then example. Before, earlier than a certain point of time. Before 2004. Before 2020, I have been a very great person in the field of science. Okay, before 2020, I visited school on regular basis. Okay, right. 2, telling the time, 10 to 6. Okay, 10 to 6. Look here, see the time here. It is 5:50 actually. You wanted to say 5:50. So you are saying 10 to 6. That is, you have 10 more minutes to become 6. Here, 15 to 6. That means 5:45. Correct? Yeah. There are max genius here. Right. Past. Telling the times. 10 past 6. Can you see? 10 minutes past after 6. Yeah. Quarter past 6 means what, children? Yeah, very good. 6:15. Right. To, until. Marking the beginning and end of a period of time. See, from Monday to Friday. From Monday till Friday. Clear? And you have another one here, till and until. In the sense of how long something is going to last. He is on holiday until Friday. Clear? By. In the sense of at the latest. Up to a certain time. In the sense of at the latest, I'll be back by 6 o'clock. I'll meet you by 7 o'clock. Okay, certain time. By 11 o'clock, I had read 5 pages. Clear? Come on, try your own examples now. Let's see preposition of place. That is position and direction. You'll use these preposition to mention position and direction. See how it is used. That is the important thing which you have to notice. In the kitchen, in London, in the book, in the car, in a taxi, in the picture, in the world, right? At the door, at the station, at the table, at a concert, at the party, at the cinema, at school, at work, on. See the examples. The picture on the wall. London lies on the Thames River. On the table, on the left, on the first floor, on the bus, on a plane, on TV, on the radio. Right? Come on now, add examples. Come on, children. Add your examples. Very easy. Come on, come on. Same preposition of place, position and direction. By, next to, beside. These three can be used like this. Jane is standing by the car. Jane is standing next to the car. Jane is standing beside the car. Almost all same meaning. The position of Jane. Under. The bag is under the table. If the bag is under the table, you will say the bag is under the table. The cat is under the desk. Okay. Below. The fish are below the surface. The fish are below the surface means under the sea. Right? Over. Put a jacket over your shirt. Wear your shirt. On top of that, you wear the jacket. That's the meaning. Okay. Over 16 years of age. So now completed 60 years, 16 years. So over 16 years of age. Walk over the bridge. Right? You walk on the bridge means you will cross the bridge, cross the river, is it not? So walk over the bridge and it will help you to get over to the other side of the river. So walk over the bridge. So here you have to use over. Climb over the wall. That means you have to climb up the wall and reach the destination, other side. Overcoming an obstacle. That's the meaning of this. Clear? Now here are some more words. Look at the screen. Above, across, through, to. These are all position words. Okay, place, directions. Example for above. A path above the lake. There is a path above the lake. It's not that exactly on the top of the lake. There is a path. Okay. Across. Walk across the bridge. You have that. It's almost like over. We read, no? Yeah. A walk across the bridge and cross the river and go to the other side. Swim across the lake. You not only swimming in the lake, you swim and then go to the other side of the lake. That is swim across the lake. Through. Drive through the tunnel. There is a passage which you drive through that. Yeah, you just have to cross the tunnel. So what do? You drive your car through the tunnel and go the other side. Clear? 2. Go to the cinema, go to London, go to Ireland, go to bed. Come on, write your sentences. I mean, say it loudly. Yeah, very good. These are the preposition words. Into, towards, onto, from. Preposition of place. Into. Go into the kitchen. Go into the house. That means you have to go inside. Literally, you have to go inside. In that place, you can use this word. Go into the kitchen. Go into the room. Clear? Towards. Go 5 steps towards the house. Approaching something. You approach something and then walk. So you can use the word towards. Go 5 steps towards the house. On to. On top of something. You can use this word. Jump onto the table. Okay. Jump onto the fence. Jump onto the desk. Right. From. A flower from the garden. This shows from where you got the flower. A flower from the garden. A pen from the stationery shop. Right? Yeah. So now you have seen preposition of time, preposition of place. There are other prepositions also. So all mixed up I've given here. Look here. From, of, by, on, in. Who gave it? In this context, you have to say like this. A present from Jane. I got a gift from my father. From. Okay. Of. What does it belong to? Who does it belong to? What does it show? In these contexts, you can use of like this. A page of the book. The picture of a palace. The king of the kingdom. Right? The man of the family. Right? Yeah. By. Who made it? Who made the book? A book by Mark Twain. A story by the famous author. Who created that? Who made that? In that places you can use by. On. On foot. On horseback. Get onto the bus. So walking or riding or on horseback, entering a public transport or a vehicle, you can use the word on. Clear? In. In is used in place where you enter a car, enter a taxi, get in the car, get in the taxi, get in the bus. Clear? Here is the last slide for you children. I mean last slide means explanation of preposition. the tabular columns. OFF of is a preposition. Out of preposition. By, at, about. All these are preposition. How will you use these words in this context? The words are repeated if you have noticed. Yes. But it depends upon the context. It takes the meaning. That's all. Yeah. Look here. OFF of means leaving a public transport vehicle. Look here. Your station has come. You have to get down. So you have to say, I get off the train. Get off means, what is the meaning? Leaving. Leaving the train. Get off the taxi. Even you could say, if somebody is disturbing you a lot, you can say, get off my brain. Get off from my brain. Right? Yeah. Out of. That is leaving a car or taxi. Get out of the taxi. You can say, get off the taxi. That is also correct. See, these two contexts you can use. Buy. Rise or fall of something. Prices have risen by 10%. Increase, if you want to show, if you want to say the increase in price, you can use by. How much it has increased. If you are going to use, if you are going to say in your sentence how much it is increased or how much it is decreased, you can use the word by. Traveling, by car, by bus. I go to school by car. I go to school by bus. I go to the mall by auto. Right? At is used for age. She learned Russian at 45. That is at 45 years. When she was 45 years, she learned Russian. Right? About, for tropics, meaning what about? We were talking about you. About what you were talking? Okay, we were talking about Nancy Drew. We were talking about Robert Louis Stevenson. The friends were discussing about so and so. That's all. Simple. Okay. Children, now let's do the exercise. Chapter 9, Prepositions. Look at the screen. This is going to be very, very easy. Very simple. Clear? You have done lots of exercises on prepositions last year, even in 3rd standard. Right? You have prepositions even in your course book. The next chapter you have is Grandpa's Tree, I guess. Okay. In that lesson, the grammar exercise is preposition. That is going to be very, very easy because already you have learned and now also you have learned in IEO. So that exercise will be very easy. So now let's see how we are going to get the answers. I am very sure you are going to give me the answers very, very quickly. Shall we try? Yes. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated dash 2nd October. Very simple. On 2nd October, in 2nd October, at 2nd October or by 2nd October. Yeah, very good. Pat yourself. On 2nd October, right? When you start a date, then you have to use on. Okay, on 2nd October. India got independence dash midnight. Come on. On, in, about, at. Which is the right answer? India got independence at midnight. At night. Yeah, remember the tabular column which we discussed? Yes. Next, there is a ban dash mobile phones in Samir's office. There is a ban. Ban means not to use. You stop. Okay. There is a ban dash mobile phones in Samir's office. With mobile phones, on mobile phones, for mobile phones or in mobile phones. There is a ban. Very good children. There is a ban on mobile phones in Samir's office. About what? The mobile phone. So you have to use on. Now, number 4. Rati always travels dash bus. At bus, by bus, off bus, with bus. Got the answer? Right. Excellent children. By bus. The old man divided the money dash his 2 sons. Among his 2 sons, with his 2 sons, between his 2 sons or in his 2 sons. Which is the correct answer? Look here. between his two sons. Actually, you will have some confusion between A and B, among or between. You remember this point, children? You can use among if there are more than two. Okay, I distributed the notebook among the children. There are so many children in my class. I distributed the notebooks among the children. Okay, that is more than two. And now here you are talking about two sons. So you have to use between. Clear? Yes. Number 6. Dash food. We gave the poor some money. I remember this kind of question you had in our previous sessions, in the beginning of IEO sessions. Now, tell me, which is the correct answer? Dash food. We gave the poor some money. Besides food. We gave food. Also, we gave some money. That's the meaning. Besides food, we gave the poor some money. Clear? Number 7. Exam sheets were distributed dash the children. On this question we discussed some time back. Look here. In, among, between, on. There are more than two. So your answer must be among. Got it? Yeah. Don't talk dash meals. People say when you're eating you should not talk. Right? Don't talk dash meals when you're eating. Okay? During meals, on meals, in meals, or among meals. Don't talk during meal when the process is going on. That place only you will use during. Clear? Next, the tiger walked dash the trap. The tiger walked at the trap, into the trap, in the trap, or between the trap. Which is the right answer? The tiger walked into the trap. Unknowingly, the tiger walked into the trap and the tiger was caught. Clear? Number 10. Alice killed two birds dash one stone. Okay. She killed two birds dash one stone. By one stone or with one stone. In and from will not come, I'm sure. These two are ruled out. Now think, by one stone or with one stone. Which is the right answer? Yes. Alice killed two birds with one stone. She came home dash early. She came home dash early. She came home above early, on early, into early, or none of these. Think. She came home early. Is that enough? Above early, on early, into early. Nothing will suit the place. So, the correct option is none of this. So, the sentence will read as she came home early. That's all. So, your option is none of these. Suman does not believe dash luck. With luck, to luck, by luck, in luck. He is not having interest in luck or with luck. Come on. Right? Yeah, very good children. Suman does not believe in luck. Rashid comes dash a rich family. From a rich family. At a rich family. In a rich family. On a rich family. Come on, you got the answer. Very good. From a rich family. Be kind dash animals. What's the answer? Easily you got the answer, right? Correct. Be kind to animals. So many times we speak this sentence, right? Be kind to animals. Exercise is good. Ah, very good. Exercise is good for health, not to health. Clear? Exercise is good for health. Be kind to animals. These two sentences are commonly spoken words. Sentences. Now look here, children. Section B, you have a passage. Read the passage and choose the most appropriate preposition from the given options. Let's read the passage one time and check for the answers. Okay. I'm Rohini. I live dash Jaipur dash winter. I like to travel dash Manali because dash the pleasant weather there. Last winter I took a train dash Jaipur to Manali. Dash the station we went to our hotel dash cab. We stopped dash a small tea shop for a quick breakfast. The driver parked the car dash the tea shop. After the breakfast, we waited dash the driver dash the tea shop. We waited dash half an hour. The driver went to the park dash the tea shop and slept. We were very angry dash our driver. Finally, we reached our hotel dash the hotel. We were warmly welcomed. Children, I guess by the way I read, you might have got the answers even without seeing the options, right? Smarties, you're all. So now let's check for the answer. Look here, I've just divided the passage so that it will be easy for you to see. It will be visible on the screen. Okay. Now let's find out the answer. I'm Rohini. I live dash Jaipur. Look at the options here. Number 16. I live in Jaipur, at Jaipur, on Jaipur, or with Jaipur. Which is the correct option? Very good. I live in Jaipur. Dash winter. I like to travel. Dash Manali. Manali. Dash winter. That season. So, what's the answer for 17th one? Look at the options. Yeah, very good. During winter. It's a continuous period. So, you have to use during. During winter, I like to travel. Dash Manali. At Manali, on Manali, upon Manali, to Manali. Yes, to Manali. I like to travel to Manali because dash the pleasant weather there. Because dash the pleasant weather there. Because of, because by, because upon, because in. Along with because you can use only, yeah, if you give a reason, you have to use of. Because of the pleasant weather there. Last winter, I took a train. Dash Jaipur to Manali. Watch here, you have to. So, what is the preposition you are going to use here in number 20? I took a train dash Jaipur to Manali. Look here. Into, from, on, at. So, what is a pair to it? This to. Along with to, you have to use one preposition here. Which one is that? Yes. From this place to that place. So, from is the correct answer. Jaipur to, from Jaipur to Manali. Okay. Dash the station, we dash the station, we went to our hotel. Okay. Station is one place, hotel is one place. So you are moving from station to hotel. So what is the option? At the station we went to our hotel, or from the station we went to our hotel, or in, or by. Which is the correct answer, children? Got it? Very good. From. From the station we went to our hotel. Let's read this one time with the answers. I am Rohini. I live in Jaipur. During the winter, I like to travel to Manali because of because of the pleasant weather there. Last winter, I took a train from Jaipur to Manali. From the station, we went to our hotel. We went to our hotel dash cab. Look at the options: towards, for, by, on. Yeah, very good. By cab. We stopped dash a small tea shop for a quick breakfast. We stopped at a small tea shop, or off, or into, or within, which is the right answer. You are specifically mentioned here a small tea shop. So the option here is very good, children. We stopped at a small tea shop for a quick breakfast. The driver parked the car dash the tea shop. Beside the tea shop, about the tea shop, of the tea shop, or among the tea shop. Beside meaning is close by, nearby. That's the meaning. Okay. Now, which is the correct answer for this? Very good, children. Beside. The driver parked the car beside the tea shop. Okay. After the breakfast, we waited dash driver. We waited at the driver, for the driver, of the driver, to the driver. After the breakfast, we waited, very good, for the driver. Dash the tea shop. Which place? Up in the tea shop, on the tea shop, to the tea shop, or near the tea shop? Very good, near the tea shop. We waited dash half an hour. Look here. Below half an hour, at half an hour, for half an hour, or on half an hour. We waited for half an hour. The driver went to the park, dashed the tea shop, and slipped. The driver went to the park. Where is the park? Dash the tea shop. In the tea shop. Is the park inside the tea shop? In the tea shop. For the tea shop. Above the tea shop. Do you have the park above the on the top of the tea shop or behind the tea shop? Which will suit? Which is the right option here? Very good. Behind. Behind means backside. Backside of the tea shop. The driver went to the park behind the tea shop and slipped. We were very angry dash our driver. We were very angry with our driver. For our driver. Of our driver. Of our driver. 8. Very good. We were very angry with our driver. Finally, we reached our hotel. Dash the hotel, we were warmly welcomed. Okay. We are talking about the place, that particular place. At the hotel, we were warmly welcomed. For the hotel, on the hotel, we were warmly welcomed. Or by the hotel, we were warmly welcomed. Very good, children. At the hotel, we were warmly welcomed. Now we are in Achievers section, HOTS. You have to think properly and say the answer. It's going to be easy only, but anyways, just think. Choose a correct preposition to complete each sentence. The flood caused a lot of damage dash the forest. For the forest, to the forest. About and into will not come. So you have to check for these two answers, either A or B. The flood caused a lot of damage dash the forest, to the forest. Okay. I'm fed up dash this continuous rain. When you use the word fed up, immediately you have to use the word fed up of what? Okay, of. I'm fed up of you. I'm fed up of the sun, hot sun. I'm fed up of the same food my mother prepares. I think your mother gives you different food, right? Yeah. I'm fed up of this continuous rain. Clear? Now, the flight from Italy to London was dash Frankfurt. So, Italy is a place, London is a place, and Frankfurt is a place in Germany, right? Yeah. So, now the flight from Italy to London was dash Frankfurt. The flight goes through something, through some place. That place is Frankfurt. The word through, where is the word through here? Across, via, on, in. Check for this. What is the meaning of via? Yeah, through. The flight from Italy to London was via Frankfurt, through Frankfurt. Then, these questions, this type of questions you might have heard from your teachers. Yes. What are the causes dash water pollution? What are the causes with water pollution, of water pollution, for water pollution, in water pollution? You are asking for reason. Causes means you are asking for the reason. What are the causes of water pollution? Very good. Are crocodiles different dash alligators? Crocodiles different. The word different shows, and these two things, two animals which you are comparing, yeah, which is the correct answer. Are crocodiles different from alligators? Very good, children.